Inspired by the intricate system of water circulating in a tree, a team of researchers led by Princeton University have figured out how to use a thin slice of wood as a membrane through which water vapor can evaporate, leaving behind salt or other contaminants. Most membranes that are used to distill fresh water from salty are made of polymers which are derived from fossil fuels and are also difficult to recycle. The wood membrane is a more sustainable material and has very high porosity which promotes water vapor transport and prevents heat loss. In a paper published in the journal Science Advances, the researchers demonstrate that the new membrane they designed performs 20% better than commercial membranes in water distillation tests. Water scarcity is a worldwide grand challenge. The United Nations reported this year that nearly half of the global population are currently living in potential water scarce regions at least 1 month per year. This problem is worsened by climate change. So, this new membrane with better performance can help to face the water scarcity issue.